Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to draw the sandworm from Beetlejuice. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin towards the top of our paper, and we want to make the eye of the first big sandworm. So to do this, we're just going to make a small little oval shape like this. Now, right around here, you're going to add a little line that curves up and comes down. And then you'll do the opposite down here, down and up. And we'll just color this in, kind of like there's a little football shape right around here. Next, we'll make a little sad face above it and a little happy face below it. Now, starting right here by the mouth, we're going to make a little curved line. And I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then it comes down. And right here, we'll draw a little line that goes down, a little round end, and then comes right to here. Starting here, we'll draw a little line that goes down, add a little sad face here. And then right over here, we'll draw a line that curves up like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. And I'm going to make a big curve shape like this. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve this in like this. Then we're going to start here. I'm going to follow this curve, so we're going to curve around. We're going to get a little bit skinnier as we get closer. And then I'm going to add a little hook shape on here. And we'll do the same thing here, just a little hook shape, and then connect it. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to add some little teeth on the top and the bottom. Then, coming out of the mouth, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come up like this. It's going to curve around. Then I'm going to go down like this and come back here into the mouth. I'll add a little line that just goes around here for like some lips. We'll add a little circle shape or oval shape for the eye. And a little line in there for the pupil. Be a little curved line here. Then we'll add some teeth on the top and the bottom. Then coming right out of the mouth, we'll add a little curved line like this. And we'll make that same curved line coming back into the mouth. I'm going to add a few little dots up here. And then on this tongue, we're going to have a little stripe pattern on here. Now, starting back here by the head, we want to add a little kind of shark fin. So we'll draw a line that curves up. It's going to come to a point and then curve down. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines here and then a couple right here. Then we'll add some more here. And I'll add two more up here. Now, starting right up here, we're going to add some more curved lines for some stripes. So I'll add one here, and then one here. And you're just going to continue adding these all the way down. Try to keep them about as evenly apart as you can. And we're just going to go all the way around here. We're just going to keep curving these around. And you're going to do this all the way until you get to the end of the tail. So just try to keep them about as evenly apart as possible. And end it right there at the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a sandworm from Beetlejuice. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.